Good afternoon, YouTubers. I'm not an expert, and this isn't really a flea market find. I actually found this in my buddy's garage. But this is an old hand plane. It's a number 3 size. It's very rusty. It's got a lot of gap around the bottom of the handle. Can you see that in there? A lot of gap where the wood has shrunk. I don't know what else has happened. And, well, it's rusted shut. It doesn't have a chip breaker. From the looks of the design, I think it's supposed to. I did a little looking online. I suspect this is a Sargent, but I'm not sure. Let's see if I can get this. I can't get the cap off. Let's see if we can nudge it out of there. Oh, that bad boy is stuck. All right. I'm going to see if I can get that off, and I'll be back. All right. Let's take a little deeper look. So I took it apart. You see the handles. Boy, that wood is very oddly purple. I don't know what that is. It's probably some, well, maybe it's rosewood. No idea. There's the knob. There's the bottom of the knob. Get a good look at the shape. It does have the screw is brass. Okay. Look at that shape. Anybody can tell me? I suspect this may be a Sargent. I'm going to have to do some more looking. It does say made in USA. There's no other marks visible through all the rust. It did not have a chip breaker in it, but I'm pretty sure from the look of that lever cap that it's supposed to. I don't think this is some kind of oddball with no chip breaker. Let's take a look at the frog. That ought to give us some hints. It's very dirty. It's got PB Blaster all over it. I had to put a little bit in there to get the thing out. Let's take a look at that. That looked like it had some writing on it, but I sanded it a little, and it definitely isn't a stamp. It almost looks like Sharpie marker. I don't know, but there you can see a look at the. That's still frozen in place. I haven't loosened the adjust. Well, there's the adjustment knob. If you look, it's very small. It does say looks like C. That looks like C55. And it's a bent style. That's why I thought maybe it's a Sargent. They had some like that. Give you some idea. What other part can I show you? Oh, let's look at the blade. Does the blade say, give us any hint? I don't see anything there. Oh, this is grungy. Grungy and rusty. Okay. The slot for the blade goes way up to the end. That might help. It has that sort of angular shape, makes it look a little more modern. That much rustic. It could be from the 1970s. It could be from the 1870s. Kind of hard to tell. All right, so I haven't figured out what kind it is yet. If you have an idea, comment. It's always fun. There it is. What else? Actually, it looks like it might be an okay plane, other than its condition, which is horrendous. I've seen worse, I guess, but it's pretty bad. But it was free. My buddy says, hey, you collect planes, don't you? Take that. Okay. Twist my arm. All right, that's all I got for you today. We'll catch you later.